Hello, John from my products video training series. This session here, we'd like to show you how to set a relay based on a flow meter feed. So, what we're going to do is we're going to go into outputs, go down to R2, which is the one that we want to set for our inhibitor feed. So turn, do the maintenance, and what I want you guys to always do on these things is go to mode. Mode is the way that the relay reacts, and if you're in the wrong mode, might as well forget about what programming you're doing there. So we're going to go into mode, make sure that it's on flow timer, which it is. It says interval because of the flow switch. And then we're going to go maintenance. Okay, so in maintenance here, we want to come down feed duration. We have it set at 10 minutes. We can change that. 15 minutes. We have an accumulation volume, 100 gallons. I'm very sorry, we want to go to handoff. We want to make sure that it's in auto. Always make sure it's in auto. If it's not in auto, it's not going to work. I'm going to go to accumulation volume. Right now it says 100. I'm going to change that to 500. Reset the timer. Output time limit, although there is just a volume, it will accumulate when it gets pulses. If it gets too many pulses, it will just keep staying on. Maybe we've done our calculations wrong. This will help save it from just feeding all the chemical. Reset output timeout. Interlock channels, we want to make sure that D1 is set. So we can pan over, we can up arrow key to make sure it's on, or down carry to make sure it's off. D1 is the flow switch, so if the flow switch is off, we don't feed anything. Activate with channels doesn't make sense on this one. Relay, minimum relay cycle doesn't make any sense on this one either, because it comes on for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, whatever we set it at. Hand limit time, the hand limit timer is when we put it to the hand position, how long will it stay on before it switches back over to the auto. Reset time output, and then input the flow meter 2. The flow meter 2 is the one that we've set up. So here we could change it. If we had a second one, it only has one, so it only will allow you to put one. Name inhib timer, we can make that change or change it to whatever we want to. Inhib. I'm going to change that just so when we walk up to it, or when our customers walk up to it, we know that it is in the right mode, or they're adjusting the right timer. If it says something else or something they don't recognize, you know, they always kind of have the question of, is this really what I want to do? Is this not what I want to do? If we rename the items, especially when we see an alarm, it will name the alarm what we give it. That way it cuts out a lot of confusion. I enjoy changing those. It is a lot more work, but if you go back into our UCF portion of these training manuals, you'll see that we can change this on one machine, copy it to a disk, and then start doing all the machines the same way. So, and then it's on flow timer. That's it. We've set it to a flow timer.